Want a steam cleaner that actually makes sense for your home in 2026? I ranked 5 popular picks from the weakest option to the one that gives you the most cleaning power for the money. In 5th place, I put the H2O X5, and that's not because it's bad, it just plays a different game from the others here. This one is more of a light-duty steam mop than a serious canister cleaner, so it makes sense for quick jobs, not deep cleaning marathons. Here's what it does well. It heats up fast, it can handle sealed hard floors, and it switches into a handheld unit for windows, garments, and small bathroom jobs. In my experience, that kind of flexibility is nice when you want one simple tool for everyday messes. Compared with the bigger machines on this list though, it has less steam power, a much smaller tank, and less staying power. But there's a problem. If you want to scrub grout, tackle heavy kitchen grease, or clean for a long stretch without stopping, this one runs out of steam fast. It also doesn't feel as serious or as capable as the canister models above it. So while it's easy to live with, it's also the first one to hit its limits. This might work for you if you live in a smaller space and mainly want a fast floor cleaner that can do a few extra jobs on the side. And if you want to check prices, links to all the products in this review are in the description under the video. Now let's move to something much more capable. In 4th place, I put the McCulloch MC1385. This is where the list starts to feel more serious, because now we're talking about a real canister steam cleaner, with better range, better runtime, and more cleaning strength than a simple steam mop. What I like here is the balance. You get solid steam output, a decent tank size, and a longer hose that helps with showers, tile, corners, and other hard-to-reach spots. Compared with the H2O X5, it feels like a major step up for deep cleaning. And it also heats up fairly quickly for a pressurized canister unit, which makes it easier to grab for medium-sized jobs. Still, it doesn't quite keep up with the top 3. Its pressure is lower, its runtime is shorter, and it doesn't have the same heavy-duty feel as the bigger premium options. So, if you clean large areas often, or want the strongest performance possible, you may outgrow it. I'd recommend this one to someone who wants a good canister cleaner without jumping straight to the biggest machine on the list. And before we get to the top 3, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more honest product reviews like this. In 3rd place, I put the Dupray Neat. On pure performance, this one could easily fight for a higher spot because it's compact, powerful, and easy to store. But ranking a product is not just about specs on paper. What stands out is the design. It's smaller and cleaner looking than most canister units, but it still delivers strong steam temperature and solid pressure. That means it can handle floors, bathrooms, kitchen messes, and detail work without taking up much space. Compared with the MC1275, it feels more polished and a bit more premium. So why is it only 3rd? Because there's a major downside hanging over it right now. The 2026 recall on this model. That matters. Even if the cleaner is strong in normal use, a recall changes the confidence level. And beyond that, it still can't match the longest runtime and reach of the top 2. This one makes sense for people who want strong cleaning in a compact body and are willing to carefully check recall status before buying. And with that out of the way, here's where the ranking gets really interesting. In 2nd place, I put the Vapamore MR-100. This is one of those products that may not win every single spec battle, but it gets a lot right at the same time, and that matters more than people think. You get strong steam pressure, a stainless steel boiler, adjustable steam output, long cord reach, and a big accessory kit. In real use, that means it can move from floors to grout, to upholstery to windows without feeling awkward. Compared with the Dupray, it gives you similar serious cleaning ability, but with fewer question marks and a stronger ownership story thanks to that lifetime warranty. The reason it stops at 2nd place is simple. The top pick gives you more raw runtime, more tank capacity, and a little more muscle for big whole house jobs. The Vapamore is excellent, but it's just a bit less dominant when the mess gets bigger, and the cleaning session gets longer. I'd tell most people this is the safe high-end choice if you want strong all-around performance without going straight to the biggest machine in the bunch. But if you want the most capable cleaner here, there's one more to see. At number 1, I put the McCulloch MC1385. This is the strongest overall package in the group, and it earns that spot by doing the important things better than almost everyone else here. The big story is cleaning stamina. You get the largest tank, the longest runtime, high pressure, long reach, and a huge set of accessories. So if you're cleaning large floor areas, bathrooms, grout lines, appliances, or even a whole level of the house, this machine feels built for that kind of work. Compared with the Vapamore, it gives you more staying power. Compared with the Dupray, it feels more heavy-duty. And compared with the smaller models, it's on another level. Of course, that size comes with trade-offs. It takes longer to heat up, it's bulkier to store, and it's not the one I'd pick for a tiny apartment or a 5-minute cleanup. But when you want the most capable cleaner in this ranking, those trade-offs make sense. This is the one I'd suggest for buyers who want the best overall steam cleaner from this group and don't mind a bigger machine in exchange for stronger long-session performance. Check the description under the video to see the top products and compare current prices. And if this review helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.